Have you heard about private 5G networks? If that term still sounds technical or distant, the truth is, they're already becoming a reality in industries, ports, hospitals, and even in agriculture. But what exactly is a private 5G network? And why is it being called one of the foundations of digital transformation? Let me break it down for you. When most people hear 5G, they immediately think of faster mobile internet. But 5G is much more than that. It's the foundation to connect machines, sensors, autonomous vehicles, industrial robots, all with ultra-low latency, high speed, and the ability to handle thousands of devices simultaneously. Now, imagine taking all that power of 5G and creating an exclusive, dedicated network, just for your company or your operation. That's a private 5G network. It's like having your own cellular network, with full control over performance, security, and coverage, completely independent from public operator networks. And why does that matter so much? In critical environments like factories, ports, airports, mining sites, or smart farms, connectivity needs to be robust, reliable, and secure. Wi-Fi often doesn't cover large areas or suffers from interference. Public networks may not provide the required level of security or quality. That's where private 5G networks come in. They deliver ultra-fast, stable connectivity over large areas, advanced security with fully isolated traffic, complete control over access, data transmission, and network management, ultra-low latency. Ideal for real-time applications like robotics, automation, and smart sensors. And here's the reality. This technology is already being implemented across the globe. Industries, energy plants, ports, automotive factories, and even agriculture are adopting private 5G to streamline processes, reduce costs, and boost productivity. We're talking about networks designed specifically for each operation, flexible enough to cover remote areas, indoor facilities, or vast outdoor spaces. This is real infrastructure for Industry 4.0. It essays not just faster internet. It has a strategic foundation for the future of business. So, if you work in technology, innovation, or simply want to understand how 5G goes beyond smartphones, now is the time to explore private 5G networks. Because in today's connected world, it's not enough to have internet. You need a network designed for what truly matters. Your operation. I'm Douglas Falsarella, and this is Coffee and IT. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to follow the channel and share it with your friends.